They have outdoor movement. You can. We found the food very old one from Africa. This project very interesting and exciting for me because we found from the writer and they make it to be the movie and we have a movie to show in this festival. This is the only one movie that have that tell about the shadow puppet. Only one, just only one. And we have it in festival. Must see.
We're gonna watch tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. At this street, they have the writer house. They have the film, like the very famous star, Michai Banchar, in this street too. Yeah, and have the Sala Kamawasi, have a gallery too. Yeah, in this street you can walk, have many food and many craft workshop in this street every day. Okay. And next from here, this is the street that have many of the cafe, very good one, and have the music, and have some of the juice from here, have art, contemporary, something street art. Okay, and because this they have a bridge.
Okay, so the river is there, yeah?
Huh?
The river?
River. This is a river. This is a river. February river. Now we have a bridge, and we can cross it. The new one is just made very beautiful, and we use it. This is a market. Market. You can buy anything, eat anything. Yeah. And after this way is called the February street art. They have a painting on the wall. So beautiful. It's not it is just a narrow street, but I think very beautiful and everyone love to see this. And we have a street performance puppet here. We have this here and we have this here. Yeah. For performing.
What time of the street park?
This is 4 โมงครึ่ง 4 p.m. And this is 5. Yes. Tomorrow it start from Nicole. Yeah, Nicole start from here, and we everyone join the first show with Nicole, and they have some of the group from the TSEP. TSEP is the sponsor of this festival. They come to join. And we walk around to see and cross to see activity here and cross to see the museum and go to see the show. The show is from you. Yeah. For tomorrow. Yeah. That's okay.
And this will all be live sold window. Live sold
That's
window.
me. Tomorrow in the morning we have the white crew ceremony. White crew is like a play for the teacher because we believe that every puppet have the teacher like the angel, like the spirit. Yes. And this is the first time that we have to white crew for the Namkaru for 30 group. That's everyone come. This is the first time. Yeah. They will come and go in the morning, but it starts from 9. Yeah. After white cruise ceremony, yeah. It's up to you because this is the first time you can take more free time, yeah, and have a schedule that I can call that. Okay, you want to go this project, but if you don't, you can free time see the museum or anything. Yeah, and in afternoon, we can stand by again at 3. But the first show, Nicole will stand by 2.